Is this a changing world we are living in? Has human mind reached a level where human rights and their violations are kept above political, social, and economic interests of global powers? Is life as sacred as it was once in the eyes of humanity? Indeed not. Two dark spots on the face of mankind stand witness to the fact, one being the brutal annihilation of a race in Middle East calling itself Gazans. The other, however, has been lurking in the cruel shadows of atrocities on a people, mourning under the cloak of anonymity, forgotten by the champions of the rights of mankind. These forgotten people are now rising again. These valiant people are called Kashmiris. They were not familiar with the United Nations until India took them there. The reason was a non-forgotten plebiscite, a referendum wherein Kashmiris were to decide themselves to be part of India or not. Today India is afraid of Kashmir once again, for Kashmiris are rising yet again. The Million March of 26th October 2014 will be demanding Kashmiris' right to a free life. If the BJP is calling them anti-national, let it be known that Kashmiris were never Indians. Kashmiris were never slaves of the delusion of world's greatest democracy. They reject the Kashmiri genocide happening from past 67 years. Dumped bodies, mass graves, widowed mothers, orphan child, all calling for one word, and one word only: Azadi. On the fateful 26th October 1947, a Maharaja betrayed Kashmir. A Maharaja sold Kashmir to the government of India, but he did not know that Kashmiris are not a commodity. They are a people who want to decide their own present and their own future. Kashmir is no more quiet. Kashmir has a voice. Kashmir has a face. It's crying, it's hurt, and it is agonized, and you will hear it this time. Because Kashmiri is no more alone. The brave nation of Khalistan is with them. The valiant nation of Sikhs is also standing by Kashmiris. For Sikhs too have been suppressed by the same India which protects only those who toe the line of a sham secularism. This time Kashmiris don't need the Indian propaganda tools, as power of social media is now there for them. Optics of this rise will echo in the power corridors of the entire globe. May this time it will grab the attention of heartless UN representatives from all around the globe. If you support the Kashmiri right to live independent from India, then be at London's Trafalgar Square on 26th October and be part of the journey that will be taking Kashmir to the decisive moment. This is the case of a nation abused, people denied to the right in peace, a community denied the status of free citizenship, a population enslaved to a selected group. This is the case of a Kashmiri nation. And remember, the later you rise for the rights, more will be your sacrifice. So stand up and claim your right. The moment is now.